So you want to buy a home in Florida, maybe here in Miami, but you're wondering how the whole process actually works. Do you start with a lender? Do you look at homes first? When do you make an offer? And actually, what happens after your offer is accepted? Well, today I'm going to walk you through the entire home buying process in Florida, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Hey everyone, I'm Raymond Goirigolzarri, a real estate professional here in South Florida, and on this channel I help buyers and sellers understand how the real estate process actually works, so you can make smarter decisions when buying or selling a home. Step number 1. Talk to a lender first. The very first step before you even start looking at homes is talking to a lender and getting pre-approved. This is extremely important because it tells you 3 things: how much you can afford, what your monthly payment might be, and what price range should you actually be shopping in. Plus, in today's market, most sellers won't even consider an offer without a pre-approval letter. So before falling in love with homes on Zillow at midnight, talk to a lender first. Step 2. Hire a real estate agent. Step number 2 is hiring a good real estate agent to represent you as the buyer. Good news for buyers is that in most cases, the seller pays the commission. So having an agent guide you through the process usually doesn't cost you anything. But a good agent helps you find homes, schedule showings, analyze property values, write strong offers, negotiate repairs, navigate contracts, and much more. And trust me, once you get into contracts and inspections, you'll be glad you have someone guiding you through it. Step number 3, start house hunting. Now comes the fun part, looking at homes. Your agent will start sending you properties that match your criteria based on price range, neighborhood, property type, schools, commute, lifestyle, and any other criteria you may have. And this is where you start touring homes until you find the one that feels right for you. Just remember, try not to look at 50 homes because after a while, they all start blending together. Step number 4, make an offer. When you find a home you like, the next step is submitting an offer. Your agent will help you determine the offer price, deposit amount, inspection period, financing terms, closing timeline, and once the offer is submitted, the seller can either accept it, reject it, or counter your offer. And sometimes this negotiation can go back and forth a few times before reaching an agreement. Step number 5, offer accepted. Now the real process begins. This is where many buyers think the deal is done, but actually, this is where the real process begins. Once your offer is accepted, you enter the inspection period. This is when you typically hire professionals to inspect the home for things like roof condition, plumbing, electrical structure, appliances, and any other inspection you may want to do. If issues are discovered, your agent can negotiate with the seller for repairs, credits, or price reductions. Number 6, the appraisal. Getting a loan, the lender will order an appraisal. The appraisal confirms the property is worth the purchase price, and if the home appraises at or above the contract price, great. If it comes in lower, your agent will help you renegotiate with the seller. Step number 7, loan approval. During this time, the lender is working on the final loan approval. They will review your income, your credits, bank statements, employments, and once everything is approved, you'll receive what's called the clear to close. Those are the magic words you want to hear at the end. And that means you're almost at the finish line. Step number 8, final walkthrough. Right before closing, you'll do a final walkthrough of the property. This is just to make sure that the home is in the same condition that we saw it in, any agreed repairs were completed, and everything is ready for closing. Step number 9, closing day. And finally, closing day. This is when you sign all the documents, the funds are transferred, and the property officially becomes yours. And the best part, you get the keys to your new home. If you're thinking about buying a home here in Miami or anywhere in South Florida and you like help navigating the process, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below, and I'd be happy to help you guide you through the process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because on this channel, I'll be breaking down every step of the buying and selling process so you can feel confident when making a real estate decision. And I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.